I am very happy today to join the Trinamool Congress. The first and most important was that I got the inspiration from Didi, Mamta Didi, that she defeated the mighty election machine of the BJP. We in Goa were praying that she wins, and not for any other thing. We do not know her. I haven't met her. But the way the BJP is going, the violence that they have unleashed has led me to believe that even a gentleman has to throw the gauntlet and support the Trinamool Congress. I will be working with the party now and also campaigning during the elections.